The Likeke Falls is a hidden gem, boasting a rich tapestry of lush greenery and a tranquil two-tiered waterfall. Adding to the allure of Likeke Falls are the local legends of the Menehune, which are mischievous fairy-like people from Hawaiian folklore. They are believed to inhabit the falls. Whispers persist of glimpses of these tiny beings flitting through the foliage, enhancing the mystical aura surrounding the area. The Menehune are believed to be of varying heights, but are most often described as being between 2 and 3 feet tall. In 1820, Hawaii's first census included an official count of 65 Menehune living on Kauai. This census is cited as evidence that the Menehune were not purely mythical, but a group of people, possibly the original settlers of Hawaii. The term Menehune is believed to be a Hawaiianized version of Manahune, the Tahitian word for lowly people. The census supports the theory that the Menehune were a group of people who were suppressed by later Tahitian settlers and fled to the mountains. The waterfall was a result of the highway being built through the area and was built by a man named Richard Davis in the 1960s. Likeke is actually the Hawaiian word for Richard, so the falls were actually named after him. Richard maintained these trails until his death in the 80s, but you can still see the remains of his handiwork today. The trail leads you to a mesmerizing stream bed that seamlessly flows towards the waterfall. Likeke Falls is a captivating two-tiered waterfall that gracefully descends approximately 30 to 40 feet. The initial 8-foot section gently descends over rocks, forming a tranquil pool below. Occasionally, you might witness adventurous individuals climbing up to the upper pool, though locals advise against it due to the moss-covered and slippery rocks. Thanks for watching.